let's talk about Fluidmaster's newest fill valve, the PRO45H. As you know, a fill valve does two things. It fills the toilet tank as well as the toilet bowl. Standard fill valves have a set refill rate for both the tank and the bowl. Prior to the advent of high-efficiency toilets, this was never an issue. However, toilet manufacturers have been challenged to create more and more efficient toilets. This has created a challenge to fill valve manufacturers as well. Since toilet refill rates now differ considerably, Fluidmaster has found the answer. Many fill valves allow the installer to set the water level in the tank, but we include an innovative adjustment knob which allows the installer to manipulate the amount of water in the bowl while restoring the toilet to the manufacturer's original specifications and maximizing the flush without wasting water. The PRO45H services all types of toilets from 1 gallon per flush to 3.5 gallons per flush. The height of the fill valve can be adjusted from 9 inches to 14 inches. The PRO45H is the best option for high water pressure homes and properties. And the PRO45H is backed by Fluidmaster's 7-year warranty, and it's the most innovative and universal toilet fill valve on the market today.